video, we'll be talking about division of labor and specialization. What is division of labor? It can be defined as the system of breaking down production process into different stages, segments, and tasks, and each process is performed by different persons. The science of division of labor was introduced by one of the founding fathers of economics, Adam Smith, who visited a pin industry in the past and noticed that production process required the application of division of labor. Then it gave rise to increase in production per day. Before his visit to the company produced 20 pins per day. So his introduction of this science to the pin industry led to the production of 48 pins per day as against the 20 pins that was initially produced. And then to specialization, it is an act of an individual or a firm or a country concentrating its resources and efforts into the production of relatively few commodities in which it has greater advantage over others. That is, division of labor leads to specialization. Now let's go to the types of specialization. Different companies, different firms specialize in different products or different services. So under this, we'll group the types of specialization. Some are specialized in particular products. Some specialization by different processes. So some companies are specialized in one process of production, one product. Then specialization also by geographical location. For example, in Iran concentrates on oil production, on oil industry, because of the presence of crude oil in their country. Therefore, it makes them to specialize in the production of oil because of their geographical location. Likewise, we also have specialization by sex. When I say by sex, I mean gender. More ladies go into fashion design and hair making business. That is specialization by sex. Why? We find more men in the business of barbing, the business of mechanical engineering, the business of construction, in the business of mining. Also, we have specialization by concentrating on a single good.